Okay, let's take a look. I am quite curious. Hello, dear friends. I do not need to do that. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Oh, look at it. Oh, wow. Good. There is no bag. Because every time you buy a pair of glasses and there is a bag, it's just a little bit too much. Sorry for my nail color. I did watercoloring class, and some students put a lot of water in the little godet, in the little watercolor little pen. So I clean it and ew, my finger. Let's see if it works well for me. Oh, it's very comfortable. Oh my goodness, this is very comfortable. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. I have different color of it. We put a little bit of. I just finished my work. Coming back home a little bit tired. Without. We deserve to live our life with a little teeny tiny little bit of seriousness, right? So this one. Oh, it's not bad at all. Another one. This is the brown color. Maybe I should put a light in here. Another one. One, two, three. The hair. What is going on with the hair? Number 4. That's it. What do you think? I like it. I like it.